Even with the incredible quality achievable from smartphone cameras nowadays, if you want to take shooting with your iPhone a step further, then this could be exactly what you need. The Sandmarc Motion Filter. Sandmarc are no new players to the filter scene, and having researched and produced various revisions of filters over the last few years, they now present their newest solution, and possibly the best yet, the Motion Variable ND filter. We've taken a look at several Sandmarc filters in the past, and the quality has always been up there with the best. I expect no less here. Supplied within a handy protective carry pouch, we find the filter itself. Complete with an aluminum frame, the filter is engineered from a multi-coated cinema glass, providing true-to-life colours as well as the ability to accurately adjust exposure and avoid cross-vignetting, commonly seen in other variable ND filters. The aluminum frame is laser etched with precise markings that include ND levels or stops of light for easy adjustment too, so a simple twist and you're quickly and easily shooting through a different filter, nice and easy. Attaching the filter to your handset is easy too. If you have any of Sandmarc's lenses already, including the anamorphic, wide or telescopic lenses, this direct threading system means the filter can attach straight on with no additional step-up rings or mounts. Alternatively, you'll also receive a clip-on mount within the package. With a plastic construction, the adapter incorporates a very straightforward clip-type design, complete with rubberized and very grippy surfaces so as to not only protect the smartphone from scratches while in use, but also grip and stay firmly in place. Another positive with the simple clip system is the unit can be attached quickly and easily to a variety of handsets, even though it's geared towards the iPhone, and even with a case attached, as in this example here. Notice how the adapter is large enough to cater for all camera lenses together too, so it really doesn't take anything away from the functionality of the smartphone itself, irrespective of camera lens used. With the filter in place, select the density level required with a simple twist, and off you go. Coupled with the super sharp smartphone lenses nowadays, you'll be able to produce some really impressive projects. Add that stunning motion blur with video projects, or take still images even with night mode enabled, to produce some fantastic still shots, and all without having to carry and faff around with various different filters and adapters. Compatible with most iPhones, in fact almost any similar sized smartphone thanks to that universal clip design, the motion filter incorporates a higher quality fit and finish that helps produce impressive cinema-style shots from your smartphone. If you're serious about shooting video or capturing images with your smartphone, then the Sandmarc Motion Filter Kit should certainly be on your wish list.